I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Honda CRV windshield wipers. Park on level ground, turn off ignition, and lift the wiper arm away from the glass. Remove the old blade by pressing the release tab and sliding it off the hook. Check the new blade aligns with the arm, then slide until it clicks. Lower the arm gently and repeat for the other side, then test for smooth operation. Start by lifting the wiper arm carefully until it stays upright and clear of the windshield. Locate the release tab on the blade connector and press it while sliding the blade off the hook. Inspect the arm and connector for damage or corrosion and clean if needed with a soft cloth. Keep the old blades for recycling and avoid letting the arm snap back onto the glass. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is great for staying hydrated while working on your car, and it fits most cup holders, making it handy during a wiper replacement. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you want one for your garage, consider grabbing it now. Now let's get back to the video. Align the new blade with the arm connector and slide it on until you hear a solid click confirming it is locked. Ensure the rubber edge sits flush with the windshield and that the blade moves freely across the arm pivot. Repeat the installation on the second blade, then lower each arm gently to avoid glass impact. Finish by running the wipers with washer fluid to confirm even contact and no streaking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.